want to go inside the camper? Okay. Ooh, open. Yeah, you did. This is our dinette.
Hey.
Okay, there you go.
All right.
Microwave,
Big.
stove, oven, fridge. I need a stool. The fridge. Alright, this is the medicine cabinet. Nice. Medicine cabinet down here. Plenty. And this is the bathroom. Shower. And this is the slide out bed. That's it. It's moving. Slide out. Cabinet here. Drawers right here. And our dinette. Yeah, more cabinet. And the bunk bed. There. That's the bunk bed. I have a television right there. That's the door going out.